you have finished your rows this way. So you simply going to fold your project backwards like this, and we are simply going to sew the top here close. And now you're going to be holding this yarn and you're going to bring all the sewing together. So now you're just going to go into another stitch, close to the last sewing, go through that twice, and then one last time, leaving a little loop at the end, and then going through the loop and fasten off. So now we can weave in this yarn here on the reverse. Here's the reverse. And then from here, all you have to do is to fold this back. And now here you have this is how it's going to look. If you want, you can weave this other end. So I'm going to go back to the red yarn and then already my project. And then from here, we're going to go around and create. So I'm going to remove my marker. And I'm going to be working my very first half of the crochet like this. And then I'm going to use the I'm going to now half of the crochet into the next stitch. And now here I'm going to be doing the first part of the half of the crochet into the next stitch, and then I'm gonna go into one stitch of this other side. Make sure that you get just 2 little loops of that little stitch, and then pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through. So that's the decrease that I do. And now I'm going to be working full half of the crochet going down into this side. So we have this side and the other side in the middle. So I'm going to be working full half of the crochet on this side. And then you want to try your best to do one half of the crochet right in the middle where we've done the sewing. And now you are going to create 4 half of the crochets here on this other side. But remember that we are doing a decrease here when we change from white to red. And then when you get into the white going to the red section, we are going to be doing a decrease. So you're going to do the first part of half of the crochet into the stitch of the white, and then you are going to pull up a loop into the end stitch of the red. So not the stitch where you have the half of this white, pull up a loop, yarn over and stitch it over. And now you can just continue with your half of the crochet going around until so now from here, this is how it looks like. Now we are going to half of the crochet all the way around until we have the length that we want. I'm going to be doing 6 rounds in total, just going around. So as you can see, I have now the 6 rounds in total completed. So what I'm going to do, remove the stitch marker. I'm going to single crochet into the next stitch, and then single crochet into the following stitch, and then slip stitch into the next stitch, just like so. now from here I'm going to make it to hang this stocking on my Christmas tree. So I'm going to use a chain of 20, that's the pattern that I like the best. So once you have the chain of 20, bring back the base and go into that very first chain, insert into that chain, I'm going to slip stitch into the very first half double crochet, and now I can chain one, cut off my yarn, leave